everybody, welcome back to my channel and now you are watching a 5-star hotel. In this video, we try to explain all the details about this hotel like location, landmark, reviews, amenities of the hotel and food category and facilities also.
As you can see on the screen, hotel location, and there is a nearby attraction, some landmark also.
We find lots of reviews and rating numbers online that are given by guests to enjoy their stay.
Its review rating is 8.0, which is the very good. A set of FAQs is now displayed on your screen, which may address many of your basic questions about this hotel. Credit cards and reserved prior to entering more than one prior to arrival. One category of rooms is available online. You can book them online and enjoy your stay.
Several deals and offers are available online for this hotel along with various meal plans and payment policies. If you are planning to book, you can do so through the link provided in the description.
For booking